Hello, beautiful internet family. My name is Dan Davis, and I'm the creative director here at danstube.tv, as well as the Fearless Drone Academy, which is the ultimate online drone course for beginners. And danstube.tv is Australia's #1 ranked drone YouTube channel. So thank you everyone for helping us reach that point. And if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest drone content. So in today's video, I've got a side-by-side comparison between the newly released DJI Air 3 and the DJI Air 2S, both phenomenal drones. And in this video, I really want to show you the difference side by side. So I filmed on the same day, the same time, the same location. I tried to get similar shots, if not the same shots. Some of them won't be exactly the same, but I really tried to make it the best side-by-side comparison I possibly could. So just to start this video, you're going to be seeing two clips next to each other right now. You're not going to know what they are, but I would love your thoughts in the comments below. We'll reveal very soon what they are, but which one is the Air 3 and which one is the Air 2S? I want you to leave the comments below. So we'll have a few clips pop up. They'll be numbered. So you just leave us the comment below. Number 1, which one is the Air 3, which one's the Air 2S? Number 2, which one is the Air 3, which one is the Air 2S? Now we're going to pop up some photos. So which one is the Air 2S, which one is the Air 3? Again, let us know in the comments below. And then there'll be some slow motion footage here. So it's going to be 1080p. And yeah, you let us know which one is it. Is it the Air 3? Is it the Air 2S? So I've gone with 1080p, the slow motion here, because if I went with the 4K on the Air 3, it would have been very obvious. But this is 1080p. So 200 frames per second from the Air 3, 120 frames per second on the Air 2S. So can you tell the difference between the slow-mo shots here? So now we're going to reveal those same shots again, but it's going to pop up and let you know which one was the Air 3 and which one was the Air 2S. So check in the comments below. Make sure you've already posted your comments. Let's see how close people got, and let's see if people can actually tell the difference between the two drones here. For the rest of the video, I'll just let you know what I've actually captured everything in, just so you get a sense of what the differences will be here. So for the Air 2S, for example, everything was captured in 5.4K at 25 frames per second. If it's in slow motion, it's 1080p at 120 frames per second, and then the photos were captured in RAW. Now, when we look at the Air 3, I went a little bit further with this one because there's a few other options here, but I went with the 4K at 25 frames per second. And then I also went with the 1080p slow motion up to 200 frames per second, as well as the 4K slow motion up to 100 frames per second, so that you can see the differences between those. And there's also the raw images as well, the raw still frames, that you can see the difference between the two there. And then on top of that, because the Air 3 has that medium telephoto system, I've gone with that 3 times the 70mm alternative. So you will see some of the clips in there as well. So again, that'll be 4K 25 frames per second, and you'll be able to see the difference there. I do really enjoy that 70mm equivalent, and I just wanted to add that in just to show you the different perspective you get with that zoom option. So just so you know, the Air 2S does have a larger sensor. It is a 1-inch sensor. And when we look at the stacked sensors on the Air 3, they are 1/1.3-inch sensors. So we've got the 24mm wide and the 70mm medium telephoto system. So all really great options here, but I will say that the sensor technology has advanced a lot for the Air 3, and you can see the difference here. A lot of people are saying that, you know, the Air 2S is the better camera system, but this video here will hopefully show you that the Air 3 is a big upgrade here. That's not disregarding the Air 2S, because it's still a phenomenal system. It still does have the larger sensor, and it's still a great drone for a lot of people. But this comparison here will show you the differences between the two systems, or I guess technically between the 3 systems, because I'm also going to show you that medium telephoto system as well. If you are interested in the Air 2S or the Air 3, I will have some really awesome bundles available in the description below. So check those out. These are for Australians, exclusively for people living in Australia, but some awesome deals on both the Air 2S and the Air 3. You can also reach out to sales@d1store.com.au, which is DJI's authorized retail store in Australia. So reach out to them, mention DanceTube, and you can save some money over there. But if you are one of my international viewers, then you can check out the other links below. I'll have some Amazon links as well as directly through the DJI store. So check those out, they'll all be linked below to check out the best deal for you. The rest of the video will be focused on showing you the differences between these two drones. So the text will pop up on the screen to let you know what drone it is, what we're recording in, and you can make your informed decision based on this video. I'll let you kind of be the judge of which camera is better, what options are better, and yeah, which drone is the right drone for you. So let us know in the comments below after this video or partway through the video if there's anything that surprised you, if you kind of have made a decision so far of which drone is better and which drone's right for you. I'd love your thoughts in the comments below. If you've still got any other questions, let me know and I will help you out in the comment section. So enjoy the rest of this video, stay tuned, not tuned, for the rest of the content because there's some cool comparisons here, some cool side-by-sides, and I can't wait to join you in the comment section.